Okay, welcome back, Lam. So, wait, let me see if I can zoom it up. Oh, I can't do a full screen, Lam. I'm so sorry. Okay, so I'll just read it for you, and you have to tell me the correct picture where it matches. Okay, now Tony is a postman. He works from 6 to 3. He walks and drives around the town and brings my post to me. Okay, what is the answer here, Lam? Which picture matches um the text?
I don't remember the picture.
No, you have to tell me, Lam, which picture matches it. Is it A, B, C, D, or E?
E,
It's
E,
what, Lam?
E,
E? E?
E.
It's not E, Lam. It's not
I just
E.
think it. I just think it.
Okay, you just think of it. Okay, so now in here, Lam, it says that Tony is a postman. Okay, so now he works from 6 to 3. Okay, that is picture A, Lam. A. And then he walks. Okay, he walks, which is, okay, so we can see in picture C. Drives around the town, that is D, and brings my post to me. Okay, see, he waved to the old man. Maybe he's done giving the letter. Okay, so for one, Lam, the pictures that matches it are A, C, and D. Okay, now what about for two? Oh, Tony, he works very hard. He drives for miles and miles, but when he
Miles
sees
and
us in,
miles. Miles, teacher, that's really long.
yes. Okay, can you tell me which picture matches the text, Lam?
It's hmm.
Okay, so continue, Lam. Okay. Oh, Tony, he works very hard. He drives for miles and miles, but when he sees us in the street, he always waves and smiles. Which picture shows that, Lam?
Two.
It's, yes, we're talking about item two. Which picture shows that? Is it A, B, C, D, or E?
ABC.
Yeah, look at the pictures, Lam. You have
B.
to match the text with the correct picture.
Hãy ghép đoạn văn với hình ảnh tương ứng.
Okay, now can you tell me which picture matches this one? Oh, Tony, he works very hard. He drives for miles and miles, but when he sees us in the street, he always waves and smiles. It's what do you think is the answer here?
The answer is hard.
No, it's not hard, Lam. You have to tell me the answer. Can you tell me? Oh, Tony, he works very hard. He drives for miles and miles, but when he sees us in the street,
I
he
said B,
always...
teacher.
It's not B, Lam. It says here, but when he sees us in the street, he always waves, okay? Waves his hand and smile, okay? Which shows picture D. Okay, it's D. See, it's D. Now, for 3, Lam, Tony gets up early and puts on his postman hat. He eats his breakfast quickly and feeds his dog and cat. This one's easy. Tony gets up early and puts on his postman hat. He eats his breakfast quickly and feeds his dog and cat. Which picture shows
Is
that?
it D?
D?
C.
Why is it C, Lam? In picture C, we can see that Tony is running. Okay, but in here it was mentioned that he eats his breakfast quickly and feeds his dogs and cats. He feeds his dog and cat, Lam. Which picture shows that, Lam? Oh, we have to answer this one next meeting if you can do it. Which picture shows Tony feeding his dog and cat, putting on his postman hat? Oh, we only have 5 pictures here, Lam, and the answer is very obvious, Lam. It's very obvious. Okay, can you tell me the answer? Is it A, B, C, D, or E?
E.
Yes,
The final answer
is
is just
E. Okay, yes, it is E. See? And feeds his dog and cat right here, which shows this picture. Now, 4. Oh, Tony, he works very hard. He drives for miles and miles. Oh, Tony, he works very hard. He drives for miles and miles. He drives for miles and miles, Lam. Which picture shows that? Tony is working very hard and he has to drive for miles and miles. What do you think? Yes, Lam. Oh, Tony, he works very hard. He drives for miles and miles. Oh, Tony, he works very hard. He drives for miles and miles. It's picture. It's picture. Which picture, Lam? It's. What are you doing, Lam?
I'm not doing anything. I'm thinking, teacher.
Oh, you are thinking.
Teacher,
Okay.
can you do this, my homework too?
Yes, I will give
Teacher.
you 2 homework. I will give you 2 homework, okay?
Okay, let
Okay.
me.
Okay, I will give this
Is
one as your
there?
homework. You have to answer it again. All right, Lam?
Yeah.
And we will check it
Yeah.
on Thursday. No, not Thursday, Wednesday. Okay, so thank you so much for your time. Enjoy your time with your family, Lam. Goodbye, Lam.
Goodbye, teacher.